Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Apollo.io CRM leads to lists after import errors, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Apollo.io account. Navigate to the leads section in the main dashboard. Click on the Imported Leads tab to review the leads that experienced import errors. Identify the specific leads that require restoration. Make a note of the details and statuses of each lead. Next, navigate to the Lists section in your Apollo.io account. Select the list where you want to restore the corrupted leads. Click on the option to add leads to initiate the restoration process. In the pop-up window, choose the Import from Errors option. Select the leads from your earlier notes that you want to restore to the list. Double-check that you've correctly selected all relevant leads. Proceed by clicking the Confirm button to begin the restoration. Wait for a few moments as Apollo.io processes the restoration. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation message indicating success. Return to your leads list to ensure the restored leads appear correctly. If any issues persist, revisit the Imported Leads tab for further troubleshooting. Review any error messages associated with leads that did not restore successfully. Make necessary adjustments to the lead details if required. Repeat the restoration process for any remaining leads. Finally, verify that all leads now appear correctly in their designated lists. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.